Hello everyone, we are back with Glenn Velvet Reviews, and I just got this Inland monitor, TV monitor mount I got, made by Inland. I bought it from Micro Center this morning. It seemed like it was a good deal. It was $10 off, originally $50. I got it for $40. And here's what the box looks like. It's sealed up, which is good. But here's what the box looks like so you guys can see. Oh, sorry. More light, more light. Alexa, turn on kitchen 1.
Okay.
All right. Okay, so anyway, there we go. A little bit more light. So let's bring this box up now to the front again for you guys to see it. So this is what the box is. This is the tilt. Swivel, standard size. It's good for up to 55 pounds. Says 14 to 42 inch. I'm using it for a 32 inch TV. You're going to see that, what TV I'm using it for and where is it going to go. So this is kind of what it looks like. This is the back of the box. If you want to read anything on the back of the box, you can pause the video, obviously, and just read that yourself if you want to read anything on the bottom there. Okay? So that's everything right there. Let's open this up, get a review, and see what we included in here. Okay? See what we got included. Okay. So open it up like that. Got the instruction manual on how to install. Step by step. Looking for studs and all that other stuff. Here's the bracket that goes on the TV. This is what it looks like. This is the one that goes on the TV, this bracket. It feels pretty heavy. Feel it? I mean, you hear it. It's pretty thick. It looks pretty thick. It's pretty thick. You can compare it to my hand. You know what I mean? It's pretty thick over there. So that's what that one looks like. So that's the bracket for that. They give you a bunch of bolts in here. I'm not sure which ones go where yet or anything. We got to test them out. So they gave you a bunch of different bolts in this one right here. Different sizes too. There's different size bolts. They give you lag bolts as well. If you find the stud, you got to put this into a stud. If it's for a heavy TV, you're going to obviously need that. So you're probably going to want to pre-drill. These look pretty big. You don't want to crack your stud in half. So I would probably pre-drill with like 1/8 of an inch, maybe a little bit bigger, and then put these in. Make sure you don't crack your stud if it's only a 2x4 and putting something in this big. Here's the anchors too. I guess if you're going to use anchors, they give you a couple anchors in there, which look pretty cool. A couple washers that are in there. So the washers, anchors, they give you a little level to use. This is like a little tool set. There's some nuts in here. And yeah, there's nuts and there's little tool set in here to help you tighten everything up in there. So that's over there. Okay. And then there's a bunch of other screws. This is probably to mount the monitor itself, the TV. This is probably to mount the TV to this. It looks like, I'm hoping that we're going to find a good size and something's going to work in here. We're going to test it out in a minute. All right, and then let's now take out the bracket, which feels pretty heavy. That's why I got it. It had good reviews for the money. Feels pretty heavy duty. Goes like that, and it can extend all the way out this far. It says it's almost 16 inches with extension, that you should be able to have this. So 16-inch extension, and then when it goes all the way to the wall, it's only supposed to be about 2-3 inches away from the wall. All right, so it has the double, little fork kind of design, I guess you could say, whatever. It has the double bars right here, double beams, then the single one right here, like it's kind of standard on what they all have. But you want it tight, obviously, so it, the weight of the TV doesn't move it, so it feels pretty tight and good. So this is going to go like this, pretty much just like that. Oh, this is the upside of it. There you go. So this is up, so it goes this way. So, and this is what it's going to look like I said, okay? So you guys can get an idea. Like I said, it feels pretty heavy duty. I like the way it feels. I just hope my wall can handle it. I'm going to show you where I'm going to put it right now. And this is the plan. I'm going to put it on this wall right up here. Let's get this camera up here so you guys can see the wall that I want to put it on. I want to put it on that wall right up there, this wall. So I'm gonna put the TV right on this mount right here. I'm gonna put the mount here on this wall, and then I'm gonna put the TV on that wall. And that's my plan of where I'm gonna use it, and you guys can get a better review of seeing how well it works and how heavy duty it is and everything. And hopefully that can support it. It supported a couple cabinets that were about 30 pounds before that was on that wall. They were about 30 pounds. My TV, I'm hoping, is way under that. I'm not sure. My TV should only be like, what, 10 pounds, 15 pounds? It's a small TV. So I'm thinking it's going to be fine. It should just hold. But that's my plan. I'm going to put it there. And so let's get this started. So you guys can see a different video of that, or a review of that, and how I'm going to install that over there. And we're going to pop that in. And that's it. All right. Thank you for everybody for watching Glen Velvet Reviews. If you have any questions, any comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. I would love to hear about them. And subscribe to my channel. Follow me on my reviews of everything I get, and my saltwater fish tank, and you know, whatever else that I always put reviews up about to help everybody out and get ideas, and just try and help everybody out with the community as I get help. So Glen Velvet Reviews is out. You have a good one. Enjoy and be safe. Bye-bye, everybody.